Back fishing a local creek that did recently to catch some bait fish. Some of them had some leftover baits from the last time I went on a river trip, so I put them back, just sunfish. They're not jumping carp or anything like that, so put those back. There are only 5 of them left, so put them back in their home. So I decided I'll bring some gear with me and fish for fun for a few minutes here. It's weekday, so I can't stay out here too late, so see how it goes. Probably be using a tried and true rooster tail to start out with. Always count on that to catch sunfish and bass or whatever, so see what happens here. I'll lose it in a few minutes, so I'm not too worried about that. Yet. For my 100 pounds worth of gear with me. Plan on doing a lot of walking though. Tracking on there. What's make or break, but I always use that Bobby Garland Slam Jam stuff. Not crappie attracting, but I don't think sunfish and bass mind it. Put it on there every now and then on the cast. Let's see what happens here. Something hit it there. Oh, got something there. Oh, it looks like a small long ear. Not too bad. I think that was the second cast, I guess. Try not to hurt it here. But there we go. Not a big one, but at least say I didn't get skunked. Fish are spawning pretty close here, so I have to be kind of careful I don't spook them. Casting this little pool here. Something hit it there. Something sitting there. Come on, hit it again. One about that same size hit it there, but it didn't take. Oh, little one, look at that trophy. Not much bigger than the lure. It's another long ear. I think they're pretty thick right in this area. There we go. Still fun to catch. I'll put it back in there. Be fine. If it shows on camera, you can see spawning beds right in here. Oh, I got something here. A little bigger one there. Oh, green sunfish. It's a pretty good sized one there. It hit it right when it hit the water pretty much. Only been fishing for 5 minutes, caught 3 of them. That's not bad. Oh, that'll be about the ideal bait size one. I'm gonna put it back though. There you go. Spicy thing. They don't get big, but they're fun to catch. Best bait for catfish you can get as far as live bait, or one of the best. Casting that same spot there. It's got a buddy in there. Little one hit it. Didn't quite hook itself. Oh, bigger one here. What is this? That might be a bass there. That's kind of... Oh, that's actually a long ear. Good sized one. Not as big as I thought it was, but it's a pretty good fight. They don't like it when you drag a lure by their nest. Nice looking fish. Put it back in. There you go. I think that was, I guess that was 4. I'm not very good at counting. I'm pretty sure that was the 4th one. I've been happy just catch 1 or 2. Keep getting hits there, but I don't think they're hooking themselves there. Oh, I shouldn't have left it out of the water that fast. There was something pretty good sized one chasing it there. Still getting hits. I'm gonna keep casting there. Oh, gosh, they're long ear. Getting all kinds of hits. They're just not always able to hook themselves. I believe that's a long ear. Put it back there. The rooster tail never fails me. There's other lures that work, but that's my go-to lure for this type of fishing. Oh, I set the hook too fast, I think. Oh, I don't know what is that there? Is that a bass? That is actually a bass, and a very small one. I'll try to be gentle with it here. I don't know what kind it is, but it's probably a largemouth, but I guess it could be a spotted. I'm not always the best at identifying them. I need to work on that. Yeah, that's not exactly a state record, but they'll get big eventually. Oh, gosh. Trying to land on that rock. He's fine though. I was trying to be more gentle with it. I didn't mean to drop it on that rock, but he's fine, or it's fine. Feisty thing. Getting more hits right in that same area. Oh, big one. Big one. Big long ear. Look at that. My gosh. That's a pretty good sized one there. It's about as big as they normally get. Ow, gosh, that hook is sharp. I'm trying to get it out. I don't want to hurt it any more than it is. I'm just doing this for fun. I'm not. It was hooked good. It wasn't coming off very good. Look at that. Pretty good size one for one of those. Put it right back. Got a nest in there. something there. I don't think it's a big one, but it's a fish. It's something. Well, it's put a pretty good sized fight. Or long ear. Back here. Really biting. It's hot out too. It's over 90 degrees. It's one of the hottest days of the year. I'm not complaining. Better than being cold. Oh, got something there. Back-to-back casts. Green sunfish. Here we go. Put right back. A little point here. I'm going to cast right in here. Oh, something hit it there. I should have had that one. More bites. Come on, hit it. Get it. More hits. Small ones. Try again. Oh, another little one. It's a lot of fun here. Oh my gosh, what is that? That's something big there. Oh, it's a bass. Man, he hit that thing. I figured it's bigger than that. It's not a big one, but gosh, it came out of nowhere. I'm not complaining. Gosh, I figured the way that thing hit, I figured I was gonna have a 3-pounder or something on there. Well, I got like 4 or 6 pound line, so it's not like I got gear that, even though it's not impossible to bring a big one in, it's might be a little tough. Boy, this hook good. There we go. Don't tear its jaw too much. That's not a big one. I guess it's a largemouth. I knew that wasn't a sunfish. Right back in the water here. There you go. Fun catch. Oh, got another one. Another long ear. They're really liking that thing. Nothing fancy what I'm doing, just casting out there. I'm not reeling it maybe just somewhat fast. Keep the rod tip high when I first cast it out there to keep it close to the surface, and then gradually put it back down. Feel strikes at the hook. Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. something. Oh, I thought I had something there, but I didn't get it. Oh, something hit it there. Oh, another bass. I missed it. Try that again. Oh, bluegill or something there. I should have had that one. Actually laying on the bridge there. It's alright, it fell in the water. It's all good. I got something here. Oh, I got off. See if I can get underneath that bridge. There we go. Oh, another one. I think that is a green sunfish. Oh, you definitely want it back in the water. Slime off my hands. Better trip than I thought it'd be. I've been happy to just catch a couple. Oh, another one here. Not a big one, but very long ear. Looks pretty good. There we go. And they're right on that log. Oh, got something here. Big one. Big long ear. There we go. That's a nice one. I was kind of sleeping there. I kind of swallowed the hook a little bit too much then. And the fish didn't come off on its own. I wish it would have. There we go. It's a nice one. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, I missed it. Try again. got something here. Bass. Oh gosh, cut off. I didn't realize it was gonna jump there, or else I would have lowered the rod there. Stand on the bridge here and see if I can catch anything on the other side of it. Got a hit there. Oh, got something. I think it's a green sunfish. Yep. Right off the bridge. Oh, got something there. It's gonna get me in the weeds. Might be a bluegill there. Oh, that is a green sunfish. Got the right size for using for bait. That's pretty good. I'm gonna use some pliers on that one. Keep it in the water so I can get it off here. Treacherous here. Oh, pliers are over here. Oh, it got off on its own. Oh, that's fine. Works for me. While I'm over here, I think I'm gonna bring that long pole over here and see if I can catch anything on it too. You notice what's around this log. Okay, put it in here and just see if anything will bite it. Nothing there. Nothing so far. Try not picking up my camera. I see all kinds of sunfish over there. Nothing on the long pole. Oh, a gar. Oh, it bit at it. Come on. Oh, got something on it. It looks like a green sunfish. Oh, not a very big one, but back in the water. Don't have to have a rooster tail to catch them. Oh, got something bigger here. There we go. Pretty good size long here. It's a nice one there. Right back in there. Oh, got something else there too. Another long ear. Like breeding pair. Exact same spot. Oh gosh, I should have had that one. Oh, I got something there. I didn't know it was on there. There's a green sunfish there. Oh, missed that one. If I had time, I'd fish all these weeds and stuff, but this would be the right setup for that. There's a lot of activity right in here. Oh, something big. Struck at it there. That probably was a bass. That was way too big, I think, to be a sunfish. But let's see what happens here. I'm gonna try to get down. Slipping on this concrete. I'll put this rod over here. Got another log here. See if whatever struck that, maybe we'll hit it again. That was real good. At least I got my lure back. I got tangled on that log. I was trying to get to the right, and I got it left, and I got it to the right, and we'll try again. Oh, something big here. A pretty good sized green sunfish. And of course it's got to swallow the hook. I don't think I injured the fish or anything. Put it back in the water here. Oh, there it goes. Swim right off. I don't think I can get that back. Set the hook too late. Set it too early, you don't hook them. Set it too late, they swallow the hook, the lure. Something struck at it there. Gosh. Oh, got off. A lot of strikes, no fish there. Gets over here now. Gotcha. Oh, good sized bluegill. Got it right in. Put it right back here. There you go. Oh gosh, what is that? It's a bass. A big one, and it hit it hard. For its size, you got it. Looks like it's eating pretty good. Right back in here. I'm gonna catch one more, and then I'm gonna call it an evening. Got a nest right here. I'm trying to catch at least one more here. It hits every time. I just don't always hook them. Oh, right there. Man, that's a good size one. Good size long ear. I think I'm gonna stop there. Good size fish. Oh, I'd like to keep fishing, man. It's hard to quit. Well, this is just a little creek. I like this area, this crossing here, just hardly anyone goes through here, and it's a good area. Doesn't get much pressure, you got good cover. Well, I'm gonna wrap it up here, I think.